Hello guys, welcome back to the JoJo series, and today we are going to be creating abilities. So that's cool, right? Okay, but first I am going to be revamping how the skills work. Right now we have a move folder for the stand, and inside it is the inputs. And then we have the remote events in the replicated storage, and then the scripts for the skills in server script service, not in the folder or anything. And I think that's really messy, so I am going to be reworking it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making a folder called stand skills. So I'm going to be making a module script for each stand. Right now I'm going to be making a module script for my stand. There's only one stand currently. The next video will be about making more stands and making a system for more stands. I am going to be naming this Monkey Supreme or something. Okay, so we are going to be putting the skills right here, and we're going to be making a handler for these skills. I'm going to name it skill handler to use the module script, and we don't need to use these scripts anymore. So one skill handler. Okay, and we also don't need this anymore, but we're going to be making the inputs first. Let's create a local script. I'm going to call it inputs. Let's make a remote event, call it input. Okay, local user input service game get service user input service. Local remote equals game.replicated storage, wait for child input input. I don't know what input user input service dot input began connect function. Key typing. If typing, then stop the script. I am going to be doing a few keys. If you want to add in more keys, you can do that by doing this. If key.keycode equals enum.keycode.q, then I'm going to be doing e. Those are mandatory. Then I'm going to be doing z or something, z, maybe t, maybe r, and maybe user input type m1 must be one for the m1ing for the clicks. And we're going to do input edit for the barrage for the e key. And if you want to add in like another move that you can hold, you can put that key button instead of input edit. If key.keycode equals enum.keycode.e, then okay, we're going to fire a remote event. Actually, let's do else if I'm going to do this for now, since I don't know. Fire server, the key, and pressed. Since just in case we need this for, actually now we're going to use the second parameter for e. We don't need the pressed parameter for anything else. True. Okay, that's cool. Now in skill handler, let's make a remote event variable. Let's require the module. Actually, no. We're going to require it instead of the onServer event, since we're going to check if the stand is we're going to check for the stand name. Then we're going to use the module script with the same stand name. But that's for another video when we've made a stand system. player pressed. Local module equals require game dot service storage dot stand skills dot monkey supreme. Okay, module. Oh yeah, here's the key and here's pressed. Module key, if module key, which is checking if the module has a function that's called QERT or any of the inputs, then we're going to call the function. There should be a character parameter. I'm going to put in a character parameter and the press parameter for the barrage. Okay, let's make the functions dot q function model dot e model dot I don't know key right now, and let's see h, maybe h and t. Let's add in h. This looks inefficient right now, but I'm going to be improving it later. Okay, so now let's make a module instead of this for the summon function. If you need to make another module instead of this module, then go for it. Let's copy this. Since the summon is inside of a module script now, and you have different summons for each stance, you can easily customize it using this module script. So let's say we have another stand called, I don't know, Star Platinum. Then you can just customize the summon by editing this module script. Okay, local module, turn module. You don't need the remote event. Oops. Let's make the function for summon. We're going to need character. Let's make a local function for the cooldown check. Copy this, delete this. There we go. And since we don't need to check for the aura, you can just do something like this. Where is it? You can put the aura here. And let's also put this here, so the script gets shorter. Before, we need to check if the aura exists, since some stands, let's say there are some stands and they don't have an aura, then it's going to have an error. But in this case, we're going to have different summon modules for different stands, so it's fine. And that's what I like about it. Function module dot unsummon character. Let's also do cooldown check. Cooldown check character. And for the animation, we put the idle in this, I don't know, in here. And let's play the animation right here. equal controller equal stand dot animation controller equal anim equals controller load animation stand dot idle. When it needs to get parented so the animation can play. Let's put it here. Okay, now let's put in the unsummon function right here. Let's also remove this since we don't need this. Cooldown check character. And let's see. Looks fine. Let's maybe put this here. Okay. Now inside of the monkey supreme, let's put this parameter character. We're gonna check for the stand character and first child stand. And let's require the module equals summon handler require script.summon handler stand then summon handler dot unsummon character else summon handler dot summon character. Now we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Oops, not this. Let's see if this works. Oh. Have we sent the key? Actually, let me do something like print the key. Oh, it's nm.keycode.q. Well, that's tough. Okay, so instead of sending the key code, we're going to send a string like q. Hold on, where is it? There it is. Q E Z T R H. For this I'll do M1. E. Let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Oh, an error. Let's see. Transparency is not a valid member of local script barrage. Okay, let's see. There is an error inside of the summon handler, I presume. Okay. Guessing it's because of this. And okay, this should work now. Well, the animation isn't playing. Okay, let's play the animation then. Let's see if this works. It will work. After this, let's do the barrage and the M1s. Then let's make the skills. That's the fun part. Okay, let's now do the M1s. So for the M1s, I'm going to be making a new module script inside of modules, since it's going to be reused in a lot of stands. Combat. Where is combat server? Let's copy this, put this in combat. Oh, it's going to be really annoying to work with. I can predict it. Oh god. Okay. Okay, so I know this is gonna be really annoying to do. Okay, so let's make the module, little module, return module, and let's make the function module. I don't know. Function module dot m1. Yeah, let's do m1, and let's put this right here. I'll do character. I can remove this, and this should be character name. And let me adjust some stuff. Maybe this comma changer. Okay. Let's see if I can do anything else to make the script shorter or something. Let me organize this a bit. We don't need params, honestly. We can just do something like this. if ahum equals humanoid, then return and simple as that. And let's see if I can change some stuff. Character name. Let me think. Can I put this instead of a function? Okay, let me try. We don't need this. Build equals character dot stand dot build. Yeah, this looks really messy right now. We do task dot wait one and do this. Point 7. Since 0.7 plus 0.3 is 1. You know what? Let's try. Let's see if I can do anything else. Okay, let's try this out. There is Monkey Supreme, there it is. Let's do module .m1 character. Let's require the punch module, punch service or something. I don't know what to call it. Combat handler. Require game storage modules combat handler. Combat, yep. Combat .m1 character. And let's try disabling this. Okay, let's try it out. World is not a valid member. Build. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, it's working actually. Oh, it's not spinning back. Yeah. I'll just revert the change. Let's see if this works now. It works. Yeah, it's working. Now let's do the barrage. Okay, so for the barrage, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make another module script instead of modules. Actually, there already is barrage handler. Okay, I forgot I made this. So let's just put in the barrage here. Character. Do something like this. Stand equals character dot stand. Find for child stand, and we're going to check if the stand exists or not. If not stand, then return end. And also let's remove combat handler, and in replicate storage let's remove the combat, and in stand let's remove combat handler. Now let's just remove moves, and let's do the same thing for here. Equals stand equals character, find first child, find first child stand. If not stand, then return end. Let's also require the barrage handler. Barrage handler equals required game.service models barrage handler. Let's go to server script service, the barrage. Let's copy this. Oops. Let's also add in another parameter called pressed. We already added in the parameter in the local script, as you can see right here, true, and let's add in false. False. We can just do this. Let's see if this works. My summon isn't working. Oh, there's an error. Yep, we remove this. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe because it's anchored or something. Let's see. Oh, the stand has a unit. How did that happen? Let's try it out now. Okay, it's working now, and the barrage has an error. Let's see what's the error. Line 36. Attempt to index nil with get attribute. Huh. Oh, it's... I thought I removed this. Character. Oh wait, I haven't disabled this. We'll just remove this. And then monkey supreme. Barrage dot character equals character. I forgot this was mandatory. Okay, let's see if this works now. It will work. Yeah, it works. That's nice. I'm going to change the max punch to 50. since I don't want the brush to be long. I don't want the brush to be that long. And let's see if the cooldown works. Yeah, the cooldown works. Yeah, it's working. That's nice. Oh yeah, and for the aura, let's I want the aura to be in my character also. So let's do something like this. For IV in Paris character get descendants. Do if you do this, and so I want it to be in my character too. And yeah, so now that we've made a system for the abilities, we've made a module script for the abilities, and we've made a skill. Oh, what's this? Twin event. Did I remove something? I didn't. What happened? I didn't do anything. Okay, it works now. I don't know why that happened. Well, okay. The aura is in my character now, which is cool. Alright, so now that we've made a system for the abilities, we can now make the actual abilities. Alright, so this is where you come in. I've made the skill system and now you just need to make the skills. Now, I can't just make tutorials for every single skills like starving or anything. And I can really show you the clip of me making my skills since it's a custom stand. It's not a stand from JoJo. But if you want a tutorial on this skill, I will make a tutorial on it. Now, I recommend watching the GnomeCode video on how to make anything to make your skills. Alright, so this is how my skill turned out. I have made 2 skills, but the other skill is broken. So I'm going to be showcasing only one skill. And this is how it turned out. It's pretty cool. This is it for this video, and I will see you next time.